Can you hear me now?
Phil, can you please stop doing your dead-on impression of the Verizon guy? I got the Tonight Show on the phone. Hello? Is this the Tonight Show with Jay Leno? Yes. My friend does impressions, and I make phony phone calls, and we'd love to be on your show. Hello? He hung up again. Homer Simpson, 18 years and it's still fresh. Knobs. Do we sell knobs? No, we're all out. You want to talk to the manager? Okay, his name is Mr. Ness. Mr. P. Ness. Can you say that name back to me? No? Yeah? Well, you almost said penis. I got him. You know, we got these amazing powers of entertainment. When are things gonna turn around for us, Phil? Phil, do you see what I see?
Crikey!
Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. You know, we've been so focused on our professional careers. Maybe it's time we focus on our personal lives for a little while.
Hello. I have a question for you. Is it possible to fall in love through a store window?
You must be joking.
I wish I were, but I'm not much of a joke teller. Although I do enjoy humor, especially phony phone calls.
I do phony phone calls.
Is this real? Are you real?
My dream lover does impressions.
Swing!
Wayne's World? Swing yourself! Oh, God, you should be famous.
I get no respect.
Rodney Dangerfield, I love you.
This is where life begins. Today's the day before tomorrow, so you have to live your life through the happiness and sorrow.
This is where life begins. Love started through a window.
I opened up my heart, and life began right there. This is where life begins. Today's the day before tomorrow. This is where life begins. There's no pain or sorrow. This is where life begins. Today's the day before tomorrow.
Hey! What the hell are you doing?
We must have been daydreaming.
Together?
We're interior decorators, and we're working on a mansion that needs all its knobs replaced.
You blew it. You would have made a lot of money on commission today.
Well, we work hourly, so it doesn't matter.
Whatever. You're still a couple of knobs. Let's go, Janelle.
But wait, you. Maybe they're right, Phil. Maybe we are a couple of knobs.
Shlemiel, Shlemazel, House and Pepper Incorporated.
Laverne and Shirley, we're gonna make it after all, aren't we?
Provide the opportunity and we'll accept it. We'll do it our way.